Drone come to drone
Rohit, so you are the teacher, all of these are disciples.
Do like this, Baba.
Do Rohit, do. Where is the drone? You have left the drone there only. Or like
Not there.
It's in their hand, I think.
no, it's there only on the table right in front of you.
Okay, we'll put this.
Arsana, where are you flying the drone?
In our property in Jakur, next to Jakur Aerodrome.
You don't tell that in the video because sometimes next to a room it will be a no-fly zone.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's quite a distance though.
What's happening?
See there.
Race, Rohit, to race. Race.
We are some kind of no-fly zone. 100% is a no-fly zone. This fucker is flying over here.
Don't take it above this apartment building.
I don't know if it will work also.
Try Rohit.
You should try it.
After paying so much.
Huh.
Take full.
See, Rohit has paid what? Like $1 lakh? More than $1 lakh, and he's like, I don't know if it works. What is this, Rohit? See, this is the drone. Show the drone. What model is it?
What is it? Mini 4 Pro.
Mini 4
DJI.
Pro. DJI. So this is a Fly More combo. Comes with how many extra batteries?
3. 2 extra batteries, but one is already there, so 3 batteries total.
3 batteries. And a fancy joystick. So the older model you had to fit your phone
On
but
top,
this has a screen. Where are the extra batteries?
Extra batteries are with our prestigious.
You bought
person.
it, no?
He's right, holding it.
Oh, mechanic G. Mechanic.
I will throw this off and I'll run away.
Same mechanic again.
Sir, my disc brake little help, sir. एग्जॉस्ट पे बिठा के रेव करूंगा मैं. So if you are not met, this is Krishna. Hi. This is Akarsh.
Hello.
He's a vlogger, very professional, has about 2 million million and a half. Oh, almost.
Yeah.
2 million subscribers.
Yeah.
So our prestigious person has come to record the moments.
He is the inspiration to people.
Yeah, correct.
Today only you're flying, no?
He's the inspiration to pick up everything.
His hand is the
iPhone we are doing. We are throwing away Rohit's phone in Hebbal Lake next Tuesday. Just waiting for it to arrive.
Hey, let there be a spare phone.
What are you doing?
GPS phone.
You have done this also, no?
Actually,
Starting it from your hand. No, start from
you know, no, he went over his phone on the ride. Tablet fell and he went over it.
I think it was purposefully.
Yeah, I think you should.
New phone.
Never mind. I thought it was an Android.
Turn on.
Last year 4
Wait.
phones.
Okay.
Sun kiss. Take one photo. Don't know if it will stay in the shape or not. Hey, Papa. Take one photo of that. You don't know if it will come down in the same shape.
You've turned it on, no?
You're taking video.
Yeah.
Clear video. Never know. Everyone is a noob pilot here. We can find action on that now. We'll put one. Wait.
Ah.
Wait, one second. Wait.
And now we are pressing take
wait.
off.
Yes, take off.
Okay. Move. Started.
Whoa.
What is the sound? Hey, move, pa. Hey. Rohit, I'm not confident with you. How was the first flight? Whoa.
Slow.
There's an auto this thing feature, no? Where is it drone? Oh, there it is. How was the drone, Rohit? How was the drone?
Nice.
What do you like the most?
Auto mode.
Auto. For the first 10 minutes, we were figuring it out how to put it on auto mode, and finally he figured it out.
Not me, it was you who figured it out, right? I did only auto landing, auto takeoff.
The video, we saw one video, and finally.
Yeah. So the follow mode and all is Mr. Akarsh.
Waiting for the battery to be charged. How much flight time did we get? Around 10 minutes. The battery was not fully charged.
Yeah, we got a couple of minutes. That's all.